From humble street food to royal feasts, the journey of your favorite meals is more incredible than you know. This is the history of the dish.
Tamales de Elote, or sweet corn tamales, are a traditional Mexican dish with deep roots in Mesoamerican cuisine. Tamales date back thousands of years to pre-Columbian times, with evidence suggesting they were consumed by the Olmecs, Mayans, and Aztecs. The word tamal comes from the Nahuatl word tamale, meaning wrapped. Ancient tamales were made with masa, corn dough, and filled with meats, beans, or chilies, then wrapped in corn husks or banana leaves and steamed. Unlike savory tamales, tamales de elote are made with fresh sweet corn, elote, giving them a naturally sweet and creamy texture. They likely originated in central and southern Mexico, where corn was, and still is, a dietary staple. Made from fresh corn kernels blended into a batter, sometimes with masa harina for texture, sweetened with sugar or condensed milk, and sometimes flavored with cinnamon or vanilla. Traditionally wrapped in corn husks and steamed until fluffy, often prepared for celebrations, holidays like Christmas or Day of the Dead, and family gatherings. Tamales reflects the ancient Mesoamerican reliance on corn as a sacred crop. Some versions add cheese, raisins, or even a touch of chili for contrast. Today, tamales de elote remain a beloved street food and homemade treat across Mexico. They showcase the versatility of corn in Mexican cuisine, bridging ancient traditions with modern tastes.
The recipes for all of our dishes are linked in the description below. Like, subscribe, and click on the next video.